I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Kia Sorento front bumper. First, gather your essential tools like a trim removal tool and a flathead screwdriver. You'll also need an 8mm and a 10mm socket or wrench for various bolts. A Torx bit set might be useful for specific fasteners. Always wear gloves and use protective tape to prevent scratches during the process. Now, let's get started. Begin by popping the hood of your Kia Sorento to access the top fasteners. You'll need to remove all the clips and bolts that secure the radiator upper cover. Next, turn your front wheels fully to one side, then the other, to gain better access to the fender liner. This will expose additional fasteners you need to remove. With the top and fender fasteners handled, move underneath the vehicle. Remove all the lower mounting bolts and clips that secure the bumper to the chassis. If your Sorento has fog lights, carefully disconnect their electrical connectors. Now, gently pull the bumper sides away from the fender, using a trim tool if needed, to release the hidden clips. For the final step, ensure all remaining electrical connectors, like those for parking sensors, are safely disconnected. With every fastener and clip released, you can now carefully pull the entire front bumper cover away from your Kia Sorento. Take your time to avoid damaging any paint or components. And speaking of efficiency, check the description below for a link to these fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, along with other great deals you won't want to miss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.